In this video, we'll unpack all the features that live in our Talkatoo desktop application and how they can be used together. First, we'll pop open the Talkatoo webpage to download the application. Click Download and then click Download Talkatoo Desktop App. From here, select which system you're working on in order to download the correct file. Downloading the incorrect file will likely lead to the system not working appropriately. If you're on a Windows PC computer, click Download for Windows. This should begin the download. Click the file to install and log in. If you're on a Mac, click Download for Mac and follow the instructions on the screen to select the correct file for your system. Click the Apple icon on the upper left of your desktop. Then click About this Mac. Here, what you're looking for is the type of processor or chip your system has. If it says Intel, you can go ahead and click on the Intel download. If it says M1 or M2, click on the M1, M2 download. From here, the download will begin. Click to open the download once it's completed. On the page that pops up, go ahead and click the Talkatoo icon and drag it to the Applications folder on the right. You can now double-click the Talkatoo icon on the left to open the file and log in. If this is the first time you're downloading Talkatoo on this Mac, it will likely ask you to allow security and privacy permissions before it will work. Follow the steps in the message on the screen to do so. When you first sign in, the Talkatoo app will open and you'll see your note inbox. This is where you'll record, review, and manage your SOAP notes. Before recording, you can choose a template by clicking the up arrow next to Record SOAP. This allows you to apply structure to your note right from the very beginning. To start a new note, click Record SOAP. Begin by stating patient identifiers such as client name, patient name, or ID. Speak as naturally as you can as you move through your exam. When you're finished, click Stop Dictating. This creates a draft that you'll then see in your note inbox. Click the pencil icon to add a title. A title will be automatically generated if you do not add your own. Drafts can also be added to later by clicking Add to this note. When your note is complete, click Submit. The note will process, and once it's finished, it'll then be ready for you to review in your note inbox. Open it to review each section, copy them into your medical record, and make any edits as needed. When finished, click Complete and Archive Note. This doesn't delete your note, it simply stores it for future reference. You're also able to record notes and access your note inbox through our mobile app. Next, let's take a look at the Assistant. It's an AI-powered conversational tool built right into the Talkatoo desktop app. You can access it by clicking Assistant at the top of the page. The Assistant can write or edit any clinical reports, client communication, and much more. The text field at the bottom of the page is what you'll use to start the conversation. If you'd like to paste any information into this box, hit Ctrl-V as in Victor if you're on a PC, or Command-V if you're on a Mac. Your quick prompts are also accessible through this window, as well as Talkatexts. Talkatext is a macro tool that lives on our desktop app. It allows you to save large templates or prompts to easily apply them to any text field on your computer. Think of this as a way to store larger prompts to preload the Assistant with information. A great use case for this might be to create a Talkatext for an email template that you often use. When you insert the template into the Assistant, you can then ask the Assistant to help you alter the template for a particular case. This is also where direct dictation can come in handy. If you click the blue Start Dictation button, speak your prompt, your words will appear in the Assistant's chat box. Click Stop Dictation to submit your prompt. Remember to provide as much context as possible. This will help the Assistant complete the task to the best of its ability, ensure accuracy, and prevent any hallucinations. The Assistant does its best work when you provide everything it needs to fully understand the task at hand. If you need any edits, simply type or dictate your changes and it will update the draft. Copy the result into your records or save it for later here. Click New on the upper right corner to start a new thread when you're moving on to a new topic or patient. Click the arrow on the upper left to go back to your previous thread. Finally, be mindful that the history of the Assistant clears when you restart the app. Please be sure to copy and paste your work before moving on to another task. When you're not actively using Talkatoo's AI tools, you can collapse the app by clicking the minus button in the corner here. This keeps Talkatoo available without taking up much screen space. With the app minimized, you can still use direct dictation in any text field on your computer. click the blue Start Dictation button. Place your cursor in the text field where you'd like the text to be written and start speaking. As you talk, Talkatoo will write and rewrite in real time, improving accuracy as it collects context. Remember, you'll need to say punctuation out loud unless you've disabled automatic punctuation in settings. If your computer does not have a microphone, you can connect our mobile app to the desktop app to use it as a wireless microphone. On the desktop app, click the three dots on the bottom right corner. Then click Pair Phone. A QR code will appear. Open your Talkatoo mobile app. Tap Mobile Mic. Scan the QR code. Now you can tap the microphone on your mobile app to dictate directly into any text field on your computer. If there are any terms that Talkatoo struggles with, such as drug names, unusual spellings, or names, you can add them to My Words. Click the three dots on the app and select My Words. Type the correct spelling of the word and hit Enter. From now on, Talkatoo will have better accuracy when you dictate or use any one of our Talkatoo tools. Finally, let's explore Talkatext. This is a tool for creating reusable templates. Click on Create a new Talkatext. Name your command. Next, paste, type, or dictate the content that you'd like saved. Click Save. The next time you're dictating in any text field on your computer, you can trigger this template by saying Insert Command Name, and the full template will instantly appear. If you'd like to sign out of the Talkatoo application, click the plus symbol. Then click your profile icon on the upper right. To sign out of the app completely, click Sign Out. This panel is also how you can quickly switch users. Click Log in with a different account. This button will prompt the user to sign in, and it will also save the user's login information on a handy list. In the future, users can click the profile icon, click their own profile from the list, and it will automatically sign them into their own Talkatoo account.